Composition and structure. Soil is a living, breathing entity that is more than just dirt. Its mix of minerals, organic matter, water, and air creates the perfect environment for plants to thrive. Understanding the intricacies of soil composition helps us to take care of it, ensuring that it continues to support life and nourish the world around us. Now, what are minerals? Minerals are like the tiny building blocks of soil. They come from rocks that have weathered over a long time. These minerals provide essential nutrients for plants to grow. Different minerals contribute to the soil's texture, color, and fertility. Some minerals like sand, silt, and clay determine soil texture. Sandy soils have larger particles, while clay soils have smaller particles. The mix of these textures affects how well the soil retains water and nutrients. Now, what is organic matter? Organic matter is the stuff that comes from the once living things like leaves, plants, and even bugs. When these things break down, they add nutrients to the soil and improve its structure. This is why compost made from food scraps and plant waste is great for gardens. Organic matter helps soil hold onto water and prevents erosion. It also provides a cozy home for earthworms and microbes that support plant growth. Now let's talk about water and air. Just like we need air to breathe, the soil also needs air for plants to grow. Air spaces between soil particles let roots take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. It is like a hidden respiratory system for plants. Water is also vital. Soil acts like a sponge, holding water that plants can use. If there's too much water, plants might drown, and if there's too little, they'll get thirsty. The balance between water and air is very crucial. Now, what are the dynamic nature of soil? Soil is always changing. It is usually influenced by rainfall, temperature, and even how people use land. When it rains, the soil absorbs water, and when it is dry, soil loses water. The daily dance between wet and dry shapes the soil structure. Cultivation practices like plowing and tilling can mix up the soil layers and affect its composition. Soil type also plays a role. For instance, sandy soil drains water quickly, while clay soil holds onto it longer. Now, the fluctuating composition of soil. Soil is a living puzzle that's never quite the same. Its composition shifts as plants grow, animals dig, and weather conditions change. Farmers and gardeners need to understand these changes to keep their soil healthy and productive. In our next slide, I'll walk you through soil nutrients. Stay with me, I'll be right back.